There we go. Oh, strength.
Huge power.
Big shots coming down.
مرحبا بكم متابعي صفحة إمن بالعربي في مقطع جديد والذي سنتابع من خلاله نزال للبطل المغربي خالد إسماعيل ضد تودفيداس ليليكس. نزال رائع جدا وحماسي أنهاه المغربي في الجولة الأولى بأداء مميز. قبل مشاهدة النزال سيكون من دواعي سرور أن تقوم بالنقر على زر لايك دعما لهذا المحتوى، وإن أردت التعريف أكثر ببطلنا العربي كل ما يجب عليك فعله فقط مشاركة المقطع. والآن لنتابع معا.
You could tell the experience through Ian by how they compose themselves when they're about to fight. He looks cool, calm, collected, and that's one of the telltale signs too.
So this fight in the welterweight division, Lilekis in the longer black and white shorts, Ismail with his name across the back. Feeling out process.
Ismail nice and calm.
Taking his time, looking to work his way in there, Ian.
Yeah, he'll just explode in a second. Watch. He's nice and calm, and all of a sudden, bang!
Lilekis happy to stick on the outside at the moment, just throwing those kicks, trying to find that range.
You know, Khalid is all about angles too. You know, the way he moves, the way he thinks. You can see he's thinking angle, and then come right for the counter, like you said, Ian.
But
explosion.
The more he's taking his time here, the more he's letting the Lakers just, you know, get more comfortable, more confident. There we go. Oh, strength.
Huge power.
Big shots coming down. The power of Ismail.
Devastating blows.
These are thunderous strikes coming down.
You can hear the thud lining with each one of those punches.
I said he was going to explode, but I didn't think it was going to be with ground and pound. The power is coming down. The referee stopped the fight.
Wow.
Khalid Ismail, the stand-up striker, also with ground and pound. Fast and furious.
I couldn't think of a worse place to be underneath those shots. Phenomenal power.
Here's the replay. The shot comes in from the Lakers. Look at the power just turning his man over. And this is where the big strikes come in. This is power. This is powerful shots coming down. Nobody can take the power like this from Ismail. In the guard, throwing down thunderous rights and lefts. Hammer fists coming down to the head. This is just pure torture on the Lakers' head.
Thunderous shots.
I mean, every shot is connecting. The referee wisely steps in. Short but clinical work from Khalid Ismail.
Corner, Khalid Ismail. And let's hear it for your runner-up, Tadvidius Lalikas.
Khalid, you got the fans going crazy for you tonight. How's it feel to have that response?
I want to thank everyone for turning up. 1 year out, I'm back.
Are you back for good though?
I'm back for good. I got injured last time, so I had operation. I'm back now. It's been a year.
متابعي صفحة إمن بالعربي نشكركم على مشاهدة المقطع. إن أردتم مشاهدة المزيد كل ما يجب عليكم فعله فقط متابعة الصفحة والدخول لقسم الفيديوهات، وأنذاك سوف تجد العديد من المقاطع التي أتمنى أن تنال إعجابك. إلى اللقاء.